Stand beside me and wait. I sing hallelujah. I bring my burden again to my anytime, any place. You stand beside me and wait. I sing hallelujah. I bring my burden again.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down the fire one. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. Looking back at the good times before it all went down. Climb right up on the hillside, a different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care what you mean. You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been.
In the middle, try to find myself again, but life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alive.